Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Fusion versus the Honda Accord. We will delve into their core attributes to help you decide which sedan best fits your needs. We'll examine everything from engine power and fuel efficiency to interior comfort and advanced technology. Our goal is to provide a clear, comprehensive overview, highlighting their strengths in performance, features, and overall value, so you can make an informed choice. When it comes to performance, the Ford Fusion offers a range of engines, including a potent 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 delivering 325 horsepower. The Honda Accord, particularly its hybrid variants, provides an impressive 204 total system horsepower. For fuel efficiency, the Accord's gas models can reach up to 37 highway miles per gallon, while the Fusion's hybrid options achieve around 43 city miles per gallon, making both strong contenders in their respective categories. Inside, both sedans prioritize comfort and connectivity. The Honda Accord boasts a spacious cabin with up to 105.7 cubic feet of passenger volume and generous rear legroom. The Ford Fusion offers ample front legroom at 44.3 inches. Both vehicles provide desirable features like available leather upholstery and advanced infotainment systems. The Accord often includes a 7 or 12.3-inch touchscreen, while the Fusion features the Sync system with voice recognition. Considering long-term ownership, the Honda Accord is widely recognized for its outstanding reliability and durability, often retaining excellent resale value. Ford Fusion models, particularly those from 2016 onward, also demonstrate good reliability records. While the Accord generally holds its value exceptionally well, the Fusion provides a compelling value proposition, especially for those seeking a well-equipped sedan in its later production years. Both offer solid choices for dependable transportation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.